Here's a cool little video for Wren. So this device is a concrete core drill. I had to go rent it because I need to bring core samples to test the concrete. So I've already drilled 2 holes. Here's a core. There's another one. So we're going to send 3 of those to the testing agency. And they crush them. They need to withstand 3,000 pounds per square inch, so that core at 28 days needs to be able to take 20,000 pounds on it. So the way this works is you go rent the machine. You can have an agency do it, but screw that, I like doing it. Here's the drill. That's the drill. There's the track. You mount one of these things in the wall first. You drill that hole with the hammer drill. Then you bang the anchor in, and then you bolt the stand on it. Then turn on the flow. 3 red dots touching means flow. There's little balls in there, you can see the water coming out. And then, oh wait, reset. There you go. I'm going to do it with my foot. It takes about 2 minutes to get through 8 inches. And there you have it.